the park. Seesaw.
Seesaw.
Each child sits at one end of the seesaw.
Trail.
Trail.
It is nice to walk on the trail. Bench.
Bench.
She enjoys her time sitting on the bench.
Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Children enjoy playing in the sandbox. Seesaw.
Seesaw.
Trail.
Trail.
Bench.
Bench. Sandbox.
Sandbox.
No.
Am.
At.
No. Am. At.
Up.
And. Big.
Baby things.
Bib.
Bib.
Bibs keep food off your nice clothes. Car seat.
Car seat.
Remember to buckle up when you are in a car seat.
Stroller.
Stroller.
Do you like to go out in a stroller? Diaper.
Diaper. Diaper.
The baby needs a new diaper now.
Bib.
Bib.
Car seat.
Car seat.
Stroller.
Stroller.
Diaper.
Diaper. G. 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 Gull. Gull. G. Girl. Girl. G. Goat. Goat.
Words start with G.
Gum.
Gas. Go. Gift. Glue.
Game.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it! Trail. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Seesaw. Choose the picture that goes with the word. That's right.
Car seat. Choose the word that goes with the picture. You did it!
Bench. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it!
Sandbox.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it!
Diaper.
Which one is?
Up. Which one is up? Great job!
Which one is?
At.
Can you point to?
At.
You did it!